Is he meeting us here?
Yeah.
Because that
I think that's his.
That truck just pulled up here.
Oh, that's out. Maybe.
Yeah, that's pretty bright. That's cool. That's cool. And then up here's this. This is a bedroom, or they used it as a media room. So on the back
It's a good
there,
view.
Nice little view.
Well, you know, everybody's asking.
And you'll get a sales disclosure as soon as he comes home, and I don't know what happened. I have so much paper on this one.
Good.
Yeah, this is awesome. Wow.
Little bigger deck would really work.
A little bigger deck? You're right.
That's what I would do. And I told him to do that.
Right.
Yeah, it wouldn't have cost that much.
No. Yeah, a little bigger deck would be just
Good view. View's better than I remember. So let's just like walk out here and go in the backyard.
God, what a beautiful day.
The downstairs apartment part.
I wonder if they built this up, or if they had to dig this down, or.
Not sure. It's all kind of terraced land here, but I'm sure they graded it somehow. I don't know what kind of work they did there.
Because that looks pretty old right there.
That's the master bedroom exactly here. The dining room and the spare room. There's the nicer. So that view is much better than I thought it was.
It's a great view. And it's really good from the bedroom too when you're up a little bit. What island is that out there? Is that Lanai?
What's that?
Is that Lanai out there?
That is called Ho'olave. And you
Ko'olave.
can see the little crater right in between there. See that?
Oh, yeah.
That's Molokini. Okay, I don't know if you can zoom. Can you zoom? Ooh, you can zoom. Look at that.
Yeah,
zoom
but it goes
go.
to.
Now you have to find it.
It starts going to digital, but I don't see.
That's it.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
It doesn't want to show up on this image though.
Not well.
Maybe I'll try backlight. Oh, that didn't help.
There it
Oh,
is.
there. There it is.
That's it. That's Molokini.
Wow. Cool. Look at that.
Yeah, it's really neat. We'll see that again.
Here's us walking all around the house. Let's see.